Good morning from Koh Tao. We have an exciting day today. We have booked to go on a snorkelling tour which takes you to a few of the islands. It was about £22 each. We got it on Get Your Guide. It includes lunch and your tour guide. It also includes your transport to and from the port, and we're in like a tuk-tuk type thing. And yeah, we're really excited about it.
We're just at the harbour now, waiting to get on the boat. The first stop is Naguan Island, so I can't wait to see what that's like.
You do have to pay 250 baht each entrance fee.
If you go without a tour, it's 100 baht, but they mark the price up just to make a bit of profit, basically. So yeah, 250 if you're on a tour, 100 if you just go there by yourself. Also, you're not allowed plastics, you're not allowed like swimming, like sea slippers, and you're not allowed flippers either. So you got to watch out what you take onto the island, and apparently they will check your bags as well.
But I'm so excited!
Let's go! Yeah. Make sure you don't fall in. The water is so blue. It's crazy. So when you get to the island, there's two activities you can do. First is hike to the top of that there. It takes about 20 minutes. I cannot be bothered for any more heights. It'll probably sound a bit funny because of the snorkel. The second is there's two areas to snorkel. One is just over there, and two is called the Japanese Garden. So we're going to check both of them out. First stop, potential sharks over here. So let's go. So we literally were in the water for about 10 seconds and then this massive shark just swims right at us.
We literally saw it in the distance, and as soon as we saw it, it just beeline towards us. I didn't know what to do. I was pooing myself.
After that, it was just terrifying because you know it's in there somewhere, but you just can't see it.
We were just looking around and around. we swam for a bit more, and I had to sort my mask out, so we came back and we saw a little diddy shark.
Yeah, there's a tiny little one as well. I got a bit worried because at one point we were quite deep out, but we were just in a shoal of fish. I was like, that's not a good place to be.
And we were one of the only people out there at that point because we didn't do the hikes. Oh, scary.
I would love, it's awesome, but you do have that feeling of like...
It could bite you.
Done the bit to my right. Now I'm going to snorkel in the bit to my left, which is known as the Japanese garden.
I can't believe it.
Crazy. This island is absolutely stunning. This is like a
paradise.
Yeah, tropical paradise. It's beautiful. It's tiny as well.
That was a way to wake up. I really hope we got a good footage of that shark because it was amazing. Now we're going to have lunch.
It's quite nice. Rice, pickled veg, some beef thing potentially. It was quite spicy. And then we had an egg as well, and you can get seconds. Plus there's some sweet little baked cookie things in a jar which are really nice as well. So yeah, we didn't mention earlier you get like free coffee and tea whenever you want, and also cold drinking water. So nice.
We are at
Mango Bay, which is at the northern Koh Tao.
we're going to go snorkeling.
Did our third stop. I don't know what it was called, but the reef was alright. It was the most alive one we've seen so far. So. And then we've got back on board and we've got some pineapple and some watermelon. Pineapple is my favourite. So you are all too familiar with the site of the next bay, which is Shark Bay. To my right there, that is Shark Island. very tired. Did a lot of snorkeling, but we managed to see 2 turtles, 3 sharks. It's pretty cool.
What an awesome day that was. Very tired. We're just waiting for our taxi to go back now. We're going to have some toast for dinner.
We've got to try to save some money. So we've got butter and bread, so we're just going to have toast. We are back at the hotel now after the most amazing day I think I've had in a while, to be fair.
It was very, very good. Very tiring though, so we aren't going to be doing much tonight.
No,
We get an early night.
I'm exhausted, but I think once we bumped into that shark, the adrenaline was just wearing off for the rest of the day.
So the tour, we booked the tour through Get Your Guide. It was £17.93 each, but you got lunch, fruit, water, tea and coffee on there as well. It was quite a good tour actually.
Yeah, including the drop off from your hotel in the morning and to your hotel when you get back to the dock.
Very good value for money.
And I mean, the bays that we've been to, you can access all of them from here, apart from the island that we went to at the start, and also Mango Bay, which you can get to, but there's not really roads. So you need like a dirt bike, or you need to hike for quite some time. But yeah, I couldn't rate it high enough. We're both absolutely done for.
So it was Sang Thong Tours.
Sang Thong Tours.
But it was the best one on Get Your Guide, so...
Yeah, we'll put a link in the description below. We are gonna head to bed after planning what we need to do tomorrow.
Yeah, we have no idea what we're doing tomorrow. We don't have any accommodation booked.
We've got nothing.
We've got lots of laundry to do.
Yeah, it's looking like we might have a bit of a chore day here, but who knows? We'll see you tomorrow. Find out.
Find out what we do.
Yeah. Find out where we go.